The problem is that my colleagues make life after divorce look so good that it's getting proper PR than the marriage life. Now people are like, okay, how do I get divorced while I'm single so that I can live this glowing, happily ever after life? No, sis, single. Usingile. I-Home Affairs iyazi nje i-ID number yakho as alive and passport here and there. I-marriage abakwazi. So how are you getting divorced? Ungakazami. At least try. Are you looking for extracurricular services to help your child with after-school programs that will enhance their knowledge, their learning, so that it puts them in the best possible position to get the best results at school? We all know the teachers who teach our children are doing the best that they can, but sometimes they've got overwhelming numbers in class and cannot provide that individual attention that your child sometimes requires to get that great result. Worry not, because eWiLek is here to provide those services for you. Whether it is online or physical classes, they are able to provide that extra service in terms of quizzes, tests, and questionnaires to prepare your child for tests and exams. Listen here, unomntana oku-matric. You know your child wants to be an engineer, your child wants to be a scientist, your child wants to be a quantified kulu. But you're not doing anything to put them in the best position to get those results. These are the services that are here for you right at your fingertips, because Sana, with a click of your button, you can get your child into this extracurricular service so that they can get that enhancement in terms of their mind stimulation and learning abilities, because we all want our kids to get A++++. So WiLek is here to cater for those needs, okay? Especially if your child is getting ready for tests and exams. This is the service for you. I will leave their information in the description box down below. Yan amukela kunkqubo yami bomtaba dad, bomtaba gogo, bomtaba auntie, bomtaba sissy. I am Sims, and it's at Sims Right Reviews on social media. So please follow your sister. I also promote businesses and YouTube channels. We currently have a special that is 450 rands, which is more than half of what I charge, and it's 200 rands for your channels to get the visibility that they deserve. Mtware kamokhala titi pode. Yenina Musa Mseleku is the worst father. No, I'm sorry. He is the worst father on television right now, because why? Why are you causing a division between your kids, Musa? What do you mean umpilo? Umpilo is not getting any ceremony from her father, because Umusa says that a child is directly related to the mother. So if he is not okay with the mother, he cannot do things for that child. Because right now, Musa is at odds with Uma Kumalo. Umpilo is not getting any ceremonies, but guess what? There are ceremonies taking place for the other children. I love Umangwabe because she was like, you can't do that. You can't do that because you show that you are bandlululing. You know bandlululing is long. You are excluding. You are excluding. But to bandlulula man, it's very Zulu, like wakhaeta. Not choosing is too light. Excluding. Hey, let's go with excluding for now. You are excluding Umpilo, but then focusing on the other children, putting the other children's needs, when Umpilo is already at those ages where she should have had these ceremonies a long time ago. So now you want to use your anger with Umakumalo to not do your duties as a father. Usile wena mus, usile and abakjeni. Mangwabe, I love you. I love you for telling him where to get down.
Umpilo anikaze nimenzele umhlonyane ezintombazane endala, anikaze nimenzele umemulo ezintombazane endala awumamukelile esibongweni just because wena une-problem noma wakhe. But uMpilo, she deserves zonke lezo zinto as ingane yakho.
As Nomphela, you are misrepresenting the facts. Umpilo said participate ey'ntweni zesintu qobo lwakhe. I could not force her. Okwesibili, angikwazanga ukumenzela umemulo kwamseleko engakashintshi isibongo. I had to wait for that process to happen. And it's a pity ukuthi Nombela, you think angimngenisile esibongweni ngoba ngingafuni. Failing uku-understand ukuthi umpilo okamakhumalo mangabe mina ngingazwani nomakhumalo ngeke ngikwazi ukwenza lutho uma wengane
nina nizozilungisela into yenu ngendlela kodwa yini eyenza ukuthi kubambeke kwengane
eyami ngeke inhliziyo ijijekile ngomakhumalo nomakhumelezwa la kumina engangifuni no Nombela umpilo okamakhumalo ingane kamakhumalo ungena lapho umpilo ingane kamakhumalo mazilunga lezo zinto
usile lo baba ha. Anyway, let us talk about my colleague in YouTube and in divorce, Khomotso Ramano. Sana the glow, elite, the life, the girl, giving, content, smooth. You know, Khomotso was in that horrible relationship. I'm saying horrible because by Sugana. If it's not horrible, why is but you guys, some of you still stay in horrible situations. I don't judge you. It's not for me to judge. I'm just saying she was in that relationship that turned into a marriage with that one of Bonga. And she said we must respect him when we talk about him because he's the father. I understand Khomotso, sorry for not sorry. Anyway, and then they got separated and going through the divorce. Nah? The girl kept her head down, kept working, stayed out of the drama, even out of the friendship drama. Even when Sinekuku and Maneo were going through it and her name kept popping up, she said, leave me out of it. She kept her head down, kept working, kept focusing on her life, kept focusing on her kids, giving us content. Guess what, Sana? She is now in a relationship with Utsunani and they've got black matching cars. And then now they went to Dubai to spend her birthday. Hi sikari Louis Vuitton. Hi sikari Valentino. Hi sikari holiday. Hi sikari luxury life. Khomotso is living her best life. It's giving great PR for life post-divorce. It's giving amazing PR to girls that chose to leave. Because, Sana, there is life. After I do, there's also life if you don't. You understand? Khuri, don't do anything for someone that does not do anything for you. And if a situation does not benefit you, exit. Seseng khanang, sing rula morwalo. Wa tlaloganya? Ke Motswana, ebile ke makgakga. Gompieno ke ngonyana wa Motswana. O batla goreng? Batla gong thao reng? Now I'm multilingual, I'm South African. But anyway, I'm just saying that it's just beautiful to see a woman pick her life up after an unhappy period and just do wonders for herself and just glow. It's beautiful, guys. It's beautiful. Khomotso, no notes from me. In fact, I'm looking at you for more notes because, girl, you did that in the world where girls were quitting their 9-to-5s and influencing, like, mainly. You said, I'm keeping my job. I'm gonna juggle both. And look at you. Look at you. Okay? No, Sana, you did that. Like, honestly, I'm very motivated and inspired by you. You are doing amazing. Keep at it. Keep at it. No, you shined up.